Kaguya Otsutsuki.
Yes.
These two are Hagoromo and Hamura. No, Indra and Asura.
Yes.
No, Mother. They're Naruto and Sasuke, the two vessels of reincarnation.
They're about to whoop
Black
your
Setsu.
butt, Kaguya. Oh, she's crying.
Did you remember the faces of your children? They're your enemies, though. The ones who stole your chakra.
Yes.
He's such a little weasel, man. Oh, she got the Byakugan out.
Hate them.
Don't hate me. What did we do?
It's time to gather up all my chakra and unify it once more.
Here she comes.
Naruto, you know what to do?
Yeah, we can just seal her again.
Let's do it!
Let's go.